White 2012 Ford Edge SE LFWD. Equipped with voice-activated navigation system and panoramic vista roof. Black leather interior with heated seats. Additional features include sync, My Ford Touch, CD MP3, rear view camera, ambient lighting, dual automatic climate control, blind spot monitoring system, Class 2 trailer tow, power liftgate, 20 chrome-clad wheels, message center, 6-way power driver's seat, entry keypad, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, Sirius XM satellite radio and so much more. Prices may vary due to manufacturer's rebate incentives. 1 year free maintenance when you purchase this vehicle with us. Let me show you how easy it is to purchase a new vehicle at Courtesy Ford. Do you have special finance needs? Go to www.bettercarcredit.com. New programs available to secure your financing at the best rates. Apply now to see if you qualify. Visit us today and see why we're the preferred Lansing Ford dealership.